Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Wardle Restorations on what is a very cold day down here at the Colne Valley Railway. Now, we were fortunate last week. We had a couple of warm spells, which meant we were able to make some more progress on painting the tank. But today's video is going to be focusing on Ruston 887. So in today's video, we're going to look at a couple of maintenance things we've done with it. We've had a look at various oil changes and other bits and bobs that you'll see throughout this video. We also got the opportunity to give Adam a short lesson on operating the Ruston. So during this video, you'll see some shots of him running up and down the line as well. And the other thing, we had a group of people here working on the track and they required some ballast. So the opportunity arose to use the 887 and a ballast hopper, an ex-London Underground ballast hopper, to do a small ballast drop down part of the line. So you'll see that in this video as well. But as always guys, if you do enjoy this content, please do hit the thumbs up. Any feedback, leave it in the comment section down below. And of course, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. But other than that, let's roll the intro and get into the video. So we had a few jobs to get on with on the Ruston, the first one and the most important one being the engine oil change. Now this was quite a time consuming job just because of the amount of oil that we had to actually take out of it and replace. And as you'll see from this shot here, as Adam removes the plug there, this was a long overdue task.
That is definitely oil.
Yeah, definitely needed changing. Alright, well, probably give that a good 5 minutes. Oh God, I can see it all.
Don't lose that rubber washer. Oh. That's certainly not clean oil, is it?
No.
Came out in one big blob.
This morning, just to update you so far, we've got the oil drained out of the Ruston. There's a catch pan down there, just catching the last little bits. And we are now about to service the oil filter. Quite an interesting filter actually. On your car, you replace it every time you have a service. But with this one, it's reusable. So we undo every so often, you just twist this and there's a wiper in there that wipes anything, that shouldn't be on the filter off, and then it falls to the bottom. And then here, just there is a bolt that you can undo and cleans out all the debris. So what you have to do periodically is undo these nuts, lift this off, and in there is the cartridge and stuff. Just got to rinse that in some diesel, the service manual says. Put it back in, add the oil, there's the oil fill, and away we go. So that is what we're going to do together right now. So some of these are actually not actually that tight. go. Can I just take this opportunity as well to say that, you know, if this kind of thing does capture your attention and you think it might be something that you might enjoy, railways all over the country, especially the Colne Valley, are always looking for volunteers. You know, I've been here since September and they've struggled to get rid of me. I work in IT, so you don't need any real experience. I mean, I service my own cars and things like that. That's why I'm kind of doing this, I guess. But, you know, if you like gardening, painting, woodwork, you want to work on the wagon even. You know, railways all over the country are dependent on their volunteers. So if this is something that interests you and you think, oh yeah, I'd like to spend a cold Saturday morning doing that, find your local railway and have a word with them. They'll teach you everything that you need to know. It's quite good fun as well. You got it?
Yep.
So there was a couple of other jobs we did on the loco as well. One a while ago was change the fuel filter. We also had a look at the air filter as well and cleaned that out and replenished the oil in that. And as you can see here, I'm just topping up the sanders. The two front sanders were stripped down and had any of the old wet sand and anything that clogged up in there removed. And now we're filling them up and they're both working perfectly again.
A bag was £8, and then the wood was
On the
11 or
picture, it
12.
looks all like really clumpy in that. I couldn't work out what it is, but then obviously it is the...
The picture's completely different from the packaging.
Yeah.
But I compared the barcodes with what was on the website to there, so it's the exact same
okay.
product. So this is a reusable filter. So the idea was every so often, per the service manual, this would be in the engine. You just come along and you twist it, and when you twist it, you can see this bit rotates. So as any oil's drawn through, if there's any particulate matter on this, they'll come off on these wipers and then they'll collect in the bottom of a sump. I know nothing about it, but in the service manual they refer to it as a auto clean filter, and interestingly clean is spelt with a K, suggesting that it's either a foreign design or it's a patented product. So yeah, old school reusable oil filter.
So with the filter now cleaned and reinstalled, I took the opportunity while the top of it was off to prime it with some oil. We then got to filling the main sump itself with some fresh oil, and as you can see I spilt it just about everywhere. And then after that we turned over the engine to see if it made any difference. So I thought I'd just quickly jump into the video here to let you know we are now on Instagram. If you just type in CVR Wagon Group, it should come up. So that means we're now on Facebook, Instagram, and of course we've got the website as well. So hopefully if you need any information or want to contact us, then those options are there. I will leave a link to all of them in the description below. But other than that, let's jump back into the video. So guys, that is where we're going to leave it for the update on 887. Whilst it's not the most cosmetically pleasing loco to look at, it certainly has performed faultlessly, and the maintenance jobs we've done on the loco have certainly improved that as well. Of course, if you did enjoy the video, please do hit the thumbs up. Leaving a comment really does help push the video out to a wider audience. So please do, if you feel like it, leave a comment in the comment section underneath this video. Of course, hopefully next time we have a video on the loco, it'll be in some slightly warmer weather. As I mentioned at the start of the video, we've had some lovely warm patches over the last couple of weeks, and suddenly out of nowhere, I believe it's scheduled to snow this afternoon, which is just ridiculous as we're into March. But yeah, hopefully some more warmer weather and we can get on with more of the projects here at the Colne Valley Railway. But other than that, I will see you all in the next video. Cheers.